Is your fridge door seal secretly jacking up your electricity bill? It might sound crazy, but those rubbery strips are way more important than you think. A failing fridge door seal can mean energy waste and higher bills. Check for cracks, feel for drafts, and try the dollar bill test. If the bill slips out easily, your seal is weak. Clean it regularly with soapy water and consider a replacement if it's damaged. Abbotsford Appliance Repair Pros can keep your appliances running smoothly and save you money. Contact us today.